guys, welcome to my channel. Diana Loves Colors, and thanks for coming by today to see this review on these scented candles. And this came from the Auelife company on Amazon. And I've done a couple of reviews for them before on another scented candle set that was fall themed, and then a review on a gift pack of essential oils. So they use all natural soy wax, and they use all natural scents for their candles. So I love this packaging. It is very silky, and I love the black and the gold. This is sort of raised up, and I think it's a very handsome package, or masculine. And these are candles for men. But if you like these types of smells, it could definitely be for a woman as well. So let's open it up. We have a big thank you note right on top, thanking you for your support. And then on the back is more of their company philosophy, and they are really happy with all their customers. It seems like they say they feel like the luckiest candle crafters in the universe. And if you ever have any questions on anything, you can get in touch with them. So this is like the other one, packed in this very durable foam here. And so I thought it would be fun for me to smell it and then try to guess what it's inside. So I'll show you the front of the candle, but I'm trying not to peek. But I know it is Lavender Woods. So, I love the silky feel of this glass too. And they are in the process of putting into production some women's cologne and women's perfume and men's cologne. And they asked me to, they showed me the pictures of it in an email and asked me to take part in a survey, what I thought the bottles, if I thought the bottles were attractive, and many other things that I thought about them. And I was glad to help them. So let me smell this. I can smell the lavender. And there's something else that I smell. You know when you go outside early in the morning and the dew is on the grass? It smells like grass dew. No. It just has that outdoor smell, I think. So let's see what they actually have in here. Where'd it go? Oh, citrus, lavender, and cedarwood. That's what I was smelling, cedarwood. All right. I like that. It's very light. Let's see. This is the next one, and this one is called Vintage Leather. And let me take a smell of this. Oh, that smells really nice too. So I like this. I'm not sure if I can smell leather actually. You know when you go to the library and it smells like the books? There is a little orangish smell. It's very light though. They all are very light fragrances. So let's see what Vintage Leather has in it. Vanilla, bergamot, and leather. How do they put leather in there? Or maybe that's what they say it smells like. Anyway, I have to look up this bergamot because I don't know what that is. Hold on. Okay, so this is bergamot. It's a tree, and it has a, like orange and a hybrid of sour orange and lemon citron. So they use this mostly in perfumes and teas, but they say the fruit itself is very sour and bitter. So that's why I've never tasted it, and it's not at my grocery store, I don't think. So that's pretty cool. All right, now we know that's the um, has the citrus and what the citrus is in that one. So let's see what this one is. Vintage oak. Vintage oak. Let's try that. It smells like a little bit of like clove, but it's not heavy because I don't like when they put all those cloves and potpourri in the store. I can't stand that. But it smells a little like clove. So maybe it smells like suede. Let's see what they really have in it. Okay, oak, cedar, and bergamot again. So that's what I smelled, the little citrus in there. I said orange though. Okay. And the last one is smoke and vanilla. Most people do not like to smell smoke, so that will be interesting. It doesn't smell like smoke at all. It smells a little bit like vanilla. It actually smells like my hand lotion, my Gold Bond. Okay, so yeah, I don't think it smells like smoke at all. A little vanilla and a little Gold Bond. You guys probably all know what Gold Bond smells like. So let's see. Tobacco, vanilla, and wood. So I had the vanilla, but not the other things. So this is really, really a nice set. Men won't tend to buy these for themselves, I don't think. And if you need a gift coming up for the man that has everything, they would probably appreciate these candles set like this. And even if they won't admit it, I really like it. I think this would make a very nice birthday gift or Father's Day gift or, oh, I know, like to the grooms in a wedding. That would make a nice gift there. So I want to thank the Auelife store for letting me review these. And of course, I'd like to thank you guys for being here to see it. And if you have any questions about this, please let me know and I will try to find out for you. And of course, always be careful when you lighting candles and don't leave them unattended. All right, that's my speech for today, and I'll see you next time with something new.